Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about hand expression and explain how this simple technique can become a useful part of your daily feeding routine. Many mothers think they always need a pump to collect milk, but hand expression is another helpful method that requires no equipment and can be useful in many situations. Before you begin, wash your hands thoroughly and prepare a clean storage container. A clean and organized setup is the first step toward a safe routine. Next, choose a comfortable and quiet place where you can relax. Many mothers find that staying calm helps make hand expression easier. Take a few moments before you start. Relax your shoulders, breathe normally, and allow yourself time to settle into the routine. When expressing milk by hand, use slow, gentle, and steady movements. There is no need to rush or use excessive pressure. A consistent rhythm often feels more comfortable. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, don't be discouraged. Many mothers find that hand expression becomes easier as they practice and gain confidence. Some mothers use hand expression before pumping, while others use it after a pumping session to collect any remaining milk. It can also be a convenient option when traveling or when a pump is not available. After collecting the milk, transfer it into a clean storage container, label it if needed, and store it according to safe storage recommendations. Every mother's experience is different, so take your time and find the technique